Nature has so much to teach us. And when we stop, unplug from all of our technology, unplug from the busyness of life, we'd be so amazed to see what we can learn from it.
Hello, and welcome to the Connect podcast. This show is all about helping you connect to your soul's calling so you can take action on it. Because the sweetest success is a blend of discovering your purpose with the inner drive to bring it to life. I'm Sheila, health coach, lifestyle entrepreneur, and mom of two, best known for my online wellness programs, mentoring, and self-love passion. Listen in for inspiring interviews, solo chats, and Q&A sessions that will move you past overwhelm towards what lights you up. Stop accepting good enough and go for your version of great in your health, business, and relationships. Let's get started.
Hi, welcome to this Monday minisode where I share a thought designed to elevate your mindset as you live into what lights you up this week. When you look at the forest and you see a variety of trees, what do you think? I was out on a walk recently and I was just enamored by the changing colors. I know we talk about that a lot when we live in the northern regions of North America. It's kind of funny. It's almost like we're trying to avoid the conversation that winter is coming and it's going to get really cold. Hey, hats off to my friends who love winter. They are an inspiration to me. But as I was taking a walk through the beautiful scenery of these trails that I love to frequent, I just noticed so much harmony in this environment amongst the different colors and varieties and heights and thickness of trunks and types of leaves. They all found space to be together, and the wind would blow through them. I realized they give shelter to us in the summertime when we need shade, and they give that beauty when they're changing colors. They provide a home for the animals that live there. It's so interesting because as I was thinking about that, I also thought that some shed their leaves earlier in the autumn than others, and then some blossom and bloom later in the springtime than others. And when I sit under the shade of a mighty oak tree and just take in its magnificence, I'm reminded that all of us in our lives and the work that we do need each other. I'm so grateful for this when I think about it. There's so many people around us who may think a little bit differently than us, who may show up in the world a little bit differently, but we still all need each other. And during these polarizing times, this really struck me as I was walking through the beauty of that forest trail. I just want to remind everyone, I feel like I need to say this. We all have a purpose here in the world, and we're all loved. We were all created for a reason. And when we can look at each other in that way, we can let go of agendas and things that start to tear us apart. It makes me so grateful for the community that I've been involved in for the past 4.5 years, because we're able to integrate the wisdom of nature and our bodies, our cyclical rhythms, into how we do our lives and how we grow our businesses. We also have a way of relating to each other that is very accepting and kind. I've never been in a space anywhere like this. Especially there's the contrast of how the world has been really for the last 4, 5, 6 years, as we've seen so many different things coming through our social sphere and our political sphere. And I wanted to share that with you because if you can find a place where you feel really safe and at home, a place that helps you grow, a place that helps you become the person that you truly want to be, and you're not in it alone, it's a truly beautiful thing. And I share this with you today because the doors are opening soon to this membership. And if you're looking for a deep sense of community and connection to yourself, as well as to other like-minded people to help you rise and elevate in your life, you are invited to a free workshop that's happening on October 13th. The link is in the show notes for you to reserve a seat. And let me know if you'll be there because I'm going to be there as well. My mentor who's going to be teaching this workshop has not taught this content before and has not been teaching in public for the past year. So it's going to be kind of fun. Another way for you to rethink how you're doing your life and your work. So here it is. Here's to doing life and work as more connected to our feminine rhythms, to nature, and to each other in the environment that we've been placed. As you look around wherever you may be, if you are in an area where the leaves are changing as well, take that in. And of course, breathe in that fresh air. We can never get enough of that. And as you go about your week, I hope these kinds of episodes help you reconnect to who you are, truly on the inside. And I hope you know how much you're appreciated. Thanks for listening, and I will see you on another episode this week. All the best to you. Big blessings.
Thank you so much for being here with me on the Connect podcast. If you like this episode, please share it with someone you think would enjoy it. Also, if you head over to iTunes to leave a review, I'd be so grateful. Let us know what your favorite parts were and what you'd like to hear more of. It will help us have a greater impact, elevating many more people to grow and succeed together. See you next time.